I would like to invite Vincent to present, please.
My presentation is on the impact of agricultural extension services on nutritional outcomes, the case of a NATS program in Uganda. I'm Vincent and my co-author is Chepchumba Chumo. We are from Moi University, Department of Agricultural Economics and Resource Management. Our interest is to see if there is any impact of agricultural extension services on nutritional outcomes, and we are taking a case of the NATS program. NATS stands for National Agricultural Advisory Services Program in Uganda. 29% of Ugandan children below age of 5 are stunted, with relatively higher stunting rates recorded in rural areas. 44% of Ugandan's population is considered food insecure. Many people in Uganda cannot meet the energy requirements, up to 35%. 45% of children below the age of 5 years are underweight. That's according to the latest statistics in Uganda. So what is the role of agriculture? In literature, agriculture is central in providing food and nutritional security. Therefore, leveraging or modifying agriculture is important in enhancing nutrition. But the development of agriculture depends largely on access to agricultural extension. Strengthens a farmer's capacity to innovate by providing access to knowledge, new technologies, and innovation. However, in Uganda, it is evident that farmers' access to agricultural extension is low. So where we have high malnutrition rates and low access to extension, so could there be a link? So this raises the following pertinent research question. What is the impact of agricultural extension services on nutritional outcomes? To answer this, we estimated the impact of agricultural extension system on nutritional outcomes in Uganda in reference to National Agricultural Advisory Services Program. So what is this program? NATS program is a 25-year public-funded extension system. NATS program was initiated in 2001. It was designed to build the capacity of farmers to operate farms associations. It was designed to build the capacity of farmers to demand advisory services. It was designed to build the capacity of farmers to adapt improved agricultural technologies and practices. The goals of this NATS program is to increase incomes through increased adoption of profitable agricultural enterprises, improve technologies, increase agricultural productivity, and increase market output. Farmers have to decide whether to participate in the program or not. A farmer participates through membership of a NATS participating farmer group. So to estimate the impact of agricultural extension services, we use the propensity score matching. We use propensity score matching where each participant is matched to non-participants in the NATS program with similar propensity values in order to estimate the average treatment effect for the treated. We use LSMS data for the year 2013-2014. Nutritional outcomes were measured by the agrometric measures. We used a sample size of 1,134 children belonging to 976 households. Results shows that NATS had a significant average estimate for the standing as per the magic algorithm on nearest neighbor, kernel, and radius. We have significant average treatment effects for the participants. So we can conclude that NATS has a significant average treatment estimates for the standing, therefore participating in extension services in Uganda reduces standing. So what can we conclude for policy? Governments should develop a new and expanded policy agenda for agricultural extension, focusing national attention on food security and nutrition. National policy agenda should include the following actions. One, there's need to prioritize agricultural extension as part of the national security integrated food security network. There's need to plan and budget for pluralizing and strengthening agricultural extension by allocating funds for institutional and management reorganization and human resource development. Finally, there's need to promote demand-driven agricultural extension. Agricultural extension programs based on the needs and demand for food deficit producers and communities need to be strengthened. With that, that makes the end of my, thank you.